In the past, IT would secure its perimeter around a physical corporate network. Security was more like guarding the walls of a castle. But today it is totally different. Today's bring your own device culture, specifically, let's say, mobile devices, the advent of cloud computing, the Internet of Things, and identity and access management must secure on premises and cloud based identities as well. The sensitive data or the sensitive information is not just inside the corporate network but also outside the corporate network. If you recall, Microsoft first addressed the concept of identity and access management with Windows NT domains, and that was done in order to consolidate on premises accounts. Later on, with Windows 2000 onwards, it developed Active Directory. For authentication purposes, it started smart card authentication, and also support for third party multi factor authentication was then started. Later on, however, there were threats, for example, sophisticated credential thefts, social engineering, and password compromises, and these have increased the risk of somebody stealing your user identities. Now, Microsoft 365 takes a comprehensive approach. It means that it uses Azure Active Directory for a unified identity and access management, and that means that the single sign on would be implemented at scale. The next one is the passwordless authentication. And this is implemented with certain mechanisms like integrated phone authentication, as an example, Microsoft Authenticator, and also using biometrics with Windows Hello, and also for user convenience and productivity. And this passwordless authentication is mostly for user convenience and productivity. Another approach that Microsoft 365 has taken is the hardware credential isolation. This is done with the help of TPM, which stands for Trusted Platform Modules. Hardware credential isolation is also done with the help of security keys for simple and secure authentication on shared devices. However, with all of these, there are also identity related challenges. That's only because the cyber security attacks are becoming more and more sophisticated. Let's go ahead and talk about these challenges and also how we as an organization can protect our identity, which is also called as the new control plane. Thanks for watching so far, guys. Let's go ahead and talk about the identity challenges.